The Nivaran Palace complex is a historical place situated in Shemiran, northern Tehran, Iran. It consists of several palace buildings and monuments dating back to the Qajar and Pahlavi eras. The complex traces its origin to a garden in the region of Nivaran, which was used as a summer residence by Fath Ali Shah from 1772 to 1834 of the Qajar dynasty. During the reign of the Pahlavi dynasty, a new palace named Nivaran was built for the imperial family of Muhammad Reza Shah from 1919 to 1980. It served a variety of purposes for the imperial court, including as a home for the Shah and Empress, as well a place to entertain visiting foreign heads of state.